Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates. In this video, we are going to see about one word substitutions, that is, definition of words. First, let's see about phobias. Phobias means fear. Papyrophobia, fear of paper. Antilophobia, fear of imperfection. Melanophobia, fear of color black. Elingophobia, fear of vertigos. Erythrophobia, fear of color red. Ideophobia, fear of ideas. Librophobia, fear of having balance. Ortholonophobia, fear of straight lines. Sciophobia, fear of shadows. Chromophobia, fear of colors. Trypophobia, fear of cluster of shapes. Doxophobia, fear of receiving praise. Horror vacuo, fear of empty spaces. Porphyrophobia, fear of color purple. Logophobia, fear of words. Leucophobia, fear of color white. Iconophobia, fear of images or icons. Xanthophobia, fear of color yellow. Agoraphobia, fear of being in public places. Trypanophobia, fear of needles. Glossophobia, fear of public speaking. Gamophobia, fear of marriage. Arachnophobia, fear of spiders. Coulrophobia, fear of clowns. Ophidiophobia, fear of snakes. Kynophobia, fear of dogs. Aerophobia, fear of flying. Sesquipedalophobia, fear of long words. Bibliophobia, fear of books. Metrophobia, fear of poetry. Symbolophobia, fear of figurative or symbolic ideas. Philosophophobia, fear of philosophy. Scriptophobia, fear of writing in public. Allodoxophobia, fear of opinions. Mythophobia, fear of stories or myths. Papyrophobia, fear of paper. Logophobia or verbophobia, fear of words. Sophophobia, fear of learning. Gnosophobia, fear of knowledge. Graphophobia, fear of writing or handwriting. Scriptophobia, fear of writing in public. Next, we are going to see about individual character, person and people. One who does a thing for pleasure and not as a profession. Amateur. One who can use either hand with ease. Ambidextrous. One who makes an official examination of accounts. Auditor. One who does not believe in existence of God. Atheist. A person who regards the whole world as his country. Cosmopolitan. One who often talks of his achievements. Egoist. Someone who leaves one country to settle in another. Emigrant. One who does not express himself freely. Introvert. One who behaves without moral principles. Immoral. A state of disorder due to absence or non-recognition of authority or other controlling system. Anarchy. A poem of serious reflection, typically a lament for the dead. Elegy. A phrase or form of words written in memory of a person who has died. Epitaph. Next is side words, which means killing, murder or cutting. Suicide, killing oneself. Matricide, killing one's mother. Patricide, killing one's father. Fratricide, killing one's own brother. Infanticide, killing a newborn baby. Destruction or abortion of a fetus. Foeticide, killing of one's brother or sister. Fratricide, killing of large group of people. Genocide, killing of one person by another. Homicide, killing of infants, infanticide. Next is mania, a serious mental illness. Bibliomania, books or reading. Bruxomania, grinding of the teeth. Hagiomania, an obsession with saints. Hippomania, obsession with horses. Hydromania, craving for water. Islomania, a fascination with islands. Kleptomania, an excessive desire for stealing things. Clopmania. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more educational videos.